Introduce yourself.
My name is Shivin Kadam. I am basically from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I am a graduate of Electronics and Communication Engineering, RAU, IIST. Currently, I am working as a software developer.
What are shallow copy and deep copy in Java?
Okay, copy and deep copy. In deep copy, whenever we copy, there is a new copy of object created. But in shallow copy, there is no new copy created.
What is the syntax for shallow copy?
Syntax. I don't know syntax.
You don't know about syntax?
Yes.
Okay. What is copy constructor?
Actually, whenever we want to copy a value of a certain object to another object, we use a copy constructor.
It is an example of shallow copy or deep copy?
It is an example of a shallow copy.
How to call default constructor from parameterized constructor in class?
By using this keyword.
By using this keyword.
Yes.
This, how you will use this keyword?
First of all, when we call default constructor in a parameterized constructor, it must be the first keyword for this convert or either super keyword. So in this case, we have immediate. We don't have a super class. That means we will have to use this keyword. So in parameterized this keyword.
Or you will write this method.
No, sir. This method.
You will write this method.
Yes, sir.
No,
keyword. This method.
Okay. What is the difference between super keyword and super method?
Super keyword and super method.
Yes.
Super keyword is reference variable. It's a reference variable which shows the immediate parent's object or immediate parent instance. Super method, it is used to call the constructor of the super class.
Okay. Is it possible to call parameterized constructor using super method? Or it is only called default constructor? I have parameterized constructor in base class, and I have default constructor in child class.
Default constructor in child class. Okay.
I want to call parameterized constructor of base class to default constructor of child class. Then what you will do?
Okay. In derived class, constructor, we have to use super method with the same argument as a super constructor.
Okay, means parameterized super also can.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose that I want to protect class from inheritance. I don't want to inherit them. What I will do? Without final.
Without final?
Yes. Okay. What is singleton class?
Singleton is a class in which only one object creation is possible.
Okay. What is the syntax of singleton class?
Syntax of singleton class, we have to use private constructor. In private constructor, we call the object. We use the if and else condition. If there is no existing object, then we create the object. Otherwise, we don't have to create.
This logic you will write on constructor or any method?
No, sorry. Be private in constructor.
This logic you will write in constructor.
Yes, sir.
Or you will create any static method.
Static, no, sir.
You will write under constructor.
Logic.
I think that we create private constructor in singleton class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are writing this code on private constructor, then how it work?
Yeah, then we.
Okay, so we will create separate static method
to call.
And this logic implemented there.
Right. Okay, sir.
Okay, then it will define singleton class. Okay, what is a string pool?
A string constant pool.
Yes.
Whenever we create a string with the help of literal, then there is a object creation is take place in the string constant pool.
Okay, where this memory will be created? Under heap or under stack?
In older version, there is a separation between this, but in the newer version, the SCP is also a part of a heap memory.
Stack is also the part of heap memory.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means my question is not this. My question is this. The string heap memory, string pool memory.
In stack memory.
Heap or stack?
Stack memory.
It is the part of stack memory.
But in newer version, the SCP is moved to heap memory.
What is extern method?
What is?
Extern method.
Extern?
Yes. EXTERN. I think that this method will be a heap to create string pool memory. Okay, JVM will automatically create this memory using
So
external
SCP.
method.
External. Okay.
External means external method. So suppose that we have string pool memory and string object memory,
Okay.
and we are comparing both address. Then what happened? Both contain data hello. Okay, string
Okay.
reference also contain data hello, means string literal contain hello, string object contain hello.
Okay.
Okay, double equal operator I am using and comparing them. Then
So-
what will be the result? True or
False.
false?
False, sir.
Why?
Because in both the memories are separate and reference are different. That's why the double operator always compare the reference. Both reference point to the other objects. That's why. But if we use this if we create another with the help of a literal, then the same reference with the then object is the same but reference similar.
Suppose that I want to compare value in same case, then what I will do? Because double equal operator compare the reference,
Yes, sir.
but I want to compare the value.
Then we call equal to method.
Equal to method or equals method?
Equals method because in string equals method is overridden.
Okay. What overridden?
Overridden to content comparison.
Okay. What is toString method?
True string, whenever we want a string representation of an object, we use toString method.
This method is belonging from string class or object class?
It's object class method.
It's object class method. So there have any role under equals method? toString method has any roles under equals method?
No idea, sir.
I think that equals method compare the value.
Values.
Then it will override the toString method as well. No?
Yes,
Because
sir.
toString method return the data.
Data, yes,
The
sir.
equals method internally invoke toString method
toString
also
method.
to return to compare the internal
Internal
data.
data.
What is the main difference between string and array?
String and array.
Yes.
String is a combination or a collection of a character, whereas array is a collection of elements, which may be integer or other data types.
Okay. As I am asking.
Array is fixed in size, whereas string no size. String is growable.
String is growable. Simply you can say that string is a class, array is a primitive type.
Yes, sir.
A string is a
It's a
class,
class.
that's why it's dynamic size.
Yes, sir.
Okay, array is a primitive
Primitive
type.
type.
Okay. Array and collection. Suppose that you have when you will use array and when you will use collection.
Okay. Whenever we have a fixed elements, we know about the element size. Then we should use array because it's faster than collection. But when we want a memory efficient, then we use collection. When we don't have a size of elements.
Because collection can work similar to array also, no? Because array list you can take array list. Why you take array? You can take array list.
Yes,
You
sir.
can directly put up the data equivalent to array. And I think that collection is much flexible. Then why you use array?
Because array is faster than array list and more than collection.
What is thread synchronization?
Threads, whenever we want to be executed thread by step by step or by thread, we use synchronization.
How to implement thread synchronization?
Implement. Idea, sir.
Okay. What is join method?
When join method, when we use join method, then the thread who is currently execution, that thread will execute fully. Then our new thread will be executed.
Means internally it is a one type of wait, no?
Yes, sir.
Join is similar to wait method. What is yield method?
Yield.
Yield. Yield method.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose that I have array list
Yes,
and
sir.
one array. I want to convert array to array list. Convert it.
Yes, sir. There is a method in a collection interface. Using that, we can convert
What
array
is
into
the
array
name
list.
of method? What is the name of method? Can you print array using iterator?
Yes, sir.
Array.
Array.
Yes.
No, sir. iterator is used to print only collection objects.
It cannot print array.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why we use iterator if we have for loop? We can simply print the data using for loop. Why we use iterator in collection?
Because
Do you know fail safe concept?
yes, sir, fail fast and fail safe.
Yeah, fail fast.
It's the
and
property
fail
of
safe.
iterator. Yes,
Do
sir.
you know about it?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
Actually, fail fast whenever iterator is used at the time of traverse, if there is any modification, fast give a concurrent modification exception, but in fail don't have any exception.
This
In
is
fail
the
fast.
difference between for loop and iterator. That's why we never prefer for loop to display the array list
Yeah, I
elements.
remember.
We mostly prefer iterator.
Yes, sir.
So their answer will be this. Suppose that I have array list, okay?
Yes, sir.
I want to display array list in reverse direction. Using iterator, what you will do?
Using iterator.
Yes. I don't want to use list iterator. You don't know.
Yes, sir.
You knew that array list contain indexing also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can get the last index.
Yes, sir.
Okay, iterator you can represent same order.
Same.
And obj dot get I. Okay, I value contain last index, then I minus minus.
Okay, we can.
Iterator contains the, but I will print the reverse direction.
Yes, sir.
This type of logic we can.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, पहले से तो आपका थोड़ा सुधार है. बस ये है कि थोड़ा प्रश्न जो है ना, जो जावा के अंदर जो प्रश्न आपसे पूछे जाएंगे वो थोड़ा इन डेप्थ ही पूछे जाएंगे. बार से व्हाट इज अरे, व्हाट इज लिस्ट, व्हाट इज तो कभी पूछे नहीं जाएंगे. जिस तरीके से मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ ना, उसी तरीके से आपसे प्रश्न पूछे जाएंगे. तो इस तरीके से आप पढ़िए, इन डेप्थ पढ़िए कि उसके अंदर का आंसर आप निकाल के दे पाएं.
हाँ सर.
अगर थोड़ा आप अपने अंदर के इम्प्रूवमेंट को बढ़ाइए, ठीक है, धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस आपकी होगी, ठीक है, थोड़ा और अच्छे से. पहले से थोड़ा मतलब अच्छा है पर बहुत अच्छा नहीं.
हाँ सर. नहीं, मेरे को आंसर ऑलमोस्ट सारे आते थे, बस ये लास्ट वाले की नहीं आते, बाकी बस मैं बोल नहीं पा रहा था.
क्यों नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं? हिंदी में बोलिए, यदि इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं कम से कम बोलिए, तब इंग्लिश यूज करिए ना.
सर हिंदी इंग्लिश की बात नहीं सर, वो कॉन्फिडेंस की बात है. इतना बिल्ड नहीं हुआ तो पहले दूसरी बार दे रहा हूँ.
ठीक है.